Well, last one. Let's go. Close them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, you're all right. This guy wasn't driving. There was no transfer.
5 minutes starts now.
Yeah, but it's freezing.
Huh?
Freezing.
What do you mean?
It's not running right. It's turning slower.
Ah. 我都不知道。
One spot instead. We're gonna try to stay. We got a couple of turn marshal spots, the 5, the 4, and the 3. That we're gonna move because turns out they block a whole bunch of spots. We didn't. When we made the turn marshal spots, we stood on the track, not on the driver's stand. Turns out that's a bad way to do it. So you guys just stay to the outside edge and you'll be okay.
It's very slower.
Too bad. There's a couple of tires. Can you turn that?
Told ya.
Drivers.
Oh, come on, guys.
Hey, Frank. Where's Frank? When Frank's available, we'll need Frank's assistance. The pipe at the after start finish is coming apart. So, at your leisure. It's not important. 1 minute, drivers. 1 minute to go. The concrete triangle, just get back against the driver's stand, that's alright, you'll be okay. That'll be perfect right there. Thanks guys. We're gonna move those numbers as well. If there's anything I've learned running races, it's definitely not rocket science, and we are not qualified for that either, so that guy's standing there again, right in the way. stand along with your transmitters, and you can bring yourselves right back out to turn marshal.
How was it?